I'm delighted to be here today. It's a big day in my career. Uday, Arun Raja, the entire team of Ninjigiri, Rahul. Thanks to Rahul, that entire thing has fallen together. I remain indebted to all the team members of this film. And I feel everybody's done a great job, and that is the reason we've gathered here to celebrate the good film that the team has made. My journey in South started with my very first film, Manori Pandulu. It was a Telugu film, which I remade in Hindi as Hum Panch. And the journey continues today. In the flow, I met my wife here. I worked with her. I married her. And I think somewhere along the line, it is her good wishes and her prayers for me and my team. And of course, my children, that I am still around and doing films. I keep one thing in mind: I should do film which she will be proud of. It has been my endeavor for Hindi films. It has been my endeavor for Tamil, Telugu, all the films that I have made so far, and I will make in future. This film has been a very happy journey, although we shot in not very happy time. We shot it through the COVID period. We had to face a lot of hardship. When I say we, I'm not there because I was not there on the location. It was Uday, Arun Raja, Rahul, and the rest of the cast and crew who battled the situation, who was still there while this period of COVID was still around. In the process, there were setbacks too. My director had a setback. And I feel somewhere from up, my wife and his wife both have blessed this film. I hope I continue to do films which are as meaningful as this. I have 2-3 films which are at the scripting stage, and perhaps they will start rolling from September, October onwards. I will not disclose the star cast, but I have a wish list. I want a commitment which Uday gave to my brother Rahul, that he will do a film with us. So there would be one more film with Uday. I know he's got a great political career, but this is his passion too. Like serving the people is his passion. This could be his second passion. I wish him great for his journey in both the fields. And at the same time, I want to be a little selfish that he continues doing films too, meaning films. And to begin with my film. The next film he does after his film is complete, my film. And I promise him I will get him a subject which is worthy of Ninjiki Nidhi. It will be a good successor to Ninjiki Nidhi. My love to all the crew members. My love to the media out here who's given me so much of attention. This film celebrates 50 days and I think I have so far done all the languages combined about 50 films. It could be 50, 51. I have not really sat and counted the number of films I have done. I just want to continue because the day I count the number of films I have done, probably I'll stop there. I'll feel I have done too much. I feel I have not done anything so far. The journey continues. We'll have to continue and probably I'll have to reach a figure of something which my children are proud of, my friends are proud of, my colleagues are proud of. And I hope to make films which have everybody's passion involved. It's been a great pleasure working with the entire team of Ninjiki Nidhi. It has been a great pleasure of working in the Tamil industry. My first film, Nerakonda Parvai with Ajit, was again a fantastic journey. It is again thanks to Ajit that I took this bold step of doing film like Ninjiki Nidhi, because we had already done a film like Nerakonda Parvai. Content-oriented film. Even Veetla Vishesham, which released a few weeks back, which is again appreciated and lapped up by everybody. And the good thing is, these directors have localized the film. They don't look like remake of a Hindi film. They look like original Tamil films. That's the best part of these films. So I have to salute Vinod first for Nerakonda Parvai. I've got to salute Arun Raja for Renjuki Reddy, and I've got to salute RJ Balaji and Sharvanan for Veetla Vishesham. And I hope I find good directors in my journey towards making more films in Tamil. Great directors, good directors, passionate directors like the directors I've worked with so far. And of course, I'm blessed to have actors like Ajit, Udaynidhi, RJ Balaji. And I hope I continue to work with people who are as passionate as them, as dedicated as them. I'm blessed, and I feel I owe it to everybody out here in Tamil cinema to continue giving my best. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. மிக்க நன்றி சார். இப்போ உங்களுடைய பிரசன்ஸ்லயே